And good morning, boys and girls and families. This is our little language lesson for today. And I'm sure you've all heard the good news that we will be back in school next week for anyone that is going to be back in school, which is good news. So let's just get going with our language, and we'll start with our little bit of measurement on what the date is and some of our weather things. So today is Thursday, January the 21st, 2021, and they say it's about -7 degrees right now and just a few little snowflakes coming down. And they say it's going to get up to 2 degrees with a bit of rain and a bit of snow apparently because it's above zero, so we might get a bit of a mix. And they say the wind is going to be out of the southwest at 23 kilometers an hour. And when the wind comes from the warmer part of the world, that's why it gets a little warmer. And remember, if it comes from the north, it gets colder. Okay, so we are going to start with some words that rhyme with, let's see if we can sound this out. Now, when you have two sounds that go together, they usually just say the same sound. So, ick, ick. All right, so let's think of some words that rhyme with ick. And let's put the p sound in there. So, ick, pick. So we have pick. And let's see, you might do this with an ice cream cone or a sucker. You might ick, lick. You might lick it. And you might do this with a soccer ball. Ick, kick. So we have pick, lick, and kick. And I'm going to give you a tough one here with two letters. Let's see if we can sound that out. We know that sound is st, ick, stick. All right, so let's have a look at all these. We have kick and pick and lick and stick. All right, boys and girls. So tell me what word has the same first sound as act. Is it apple or time? Apple or time? Let's have a look. It is apple. Tell me which word has the same first sound as igloo. Is it cold or itch? As igloo. Is it cold or itch? Ooh, let's have a look. There's cold and there's itch. So it's itch. Tell me what has the same first sound as odd. Is it ride or October? Odd, ride, or October? Let's have a look. It is October. October, odd. Let's just do one more here. What has the same first sound as juice? Juice. Is it jaw, jaw, juice, or is it peak, peak? And it is jaw. Jaw and juice have the same first sound. Alrighty, so, sorry boys and girls. Alright, we are going to put two parts of the word together. So, n and oo becomes new. I and t, becomes it. And e becomes bee. And a, now this is long a, s and a together says say. There's the word say. And n, o says no. And P and I, this is a long I. P and I says pie. And one more. T and oo becomes two, and that is the two for me too. All right, tell me the middle sound you hear in these words. In bath, bath, ba-af, ba-af. Let's have a look at the word. What's the middle sound? Did you guess it right? It's an A. Tell me the middle sound you hear in rock. Ok. 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 It is an O. Tell me the middle sound you hear in his. Is. Is. It is an I. His. And even though that's an S, it says a Z sound. Oop, just gave you a sneak peek there. Tell me the middle sound you hear in fan. Fan. It is an A. If you got that. In got. Got. What makes the ah sound, but an O. In top. Top. And the middle sound is an O again. And in wig, ig, ig, it is an I. All right, we are getting there, boys and girls. Okay, so I'm going to say the word 8, and then we're going to separate it out. 8 becomes a t. Ed becomes ad. And ray becomes r-a. And in becomes in. And fee becomes f-e. And one more, toe. There's the word toe. T-o becomes to-o. Okay, we are almost there. Alrighty, now, if I give you the word fit and I cover up the f, we have the word it. If I give you the word Ron, like Uncle Ron, and I cover up the r, we have on. If I give you the word pan and we cover up the p sound, we have an. If I give you the word hip and we cover up the h sound, we have ip. And if I give you the word mat and we cover up the m, we have the word at. And if we have the word get and we cover up the g sound, we have et. Okay, and the last thing today is our little nursery rhyme, and just repeat after me. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. And curds are like cheese curds, and the whey, I guess, is what they take off when they're making the curd. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. All right, boys and girls, that is it. We will see some of you a little later in a meeting and hopefully a bunch more tomorrow. And I hope you have a wonderful day and get outside and play, maybe before the rain. And we look forward to seeing everybody next week for sure. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.